Cowboy butter and beef tenderloin, people. Merry Christmas. Let's get involved. Yeah! Hello and welcome back to BBQ Jams Holiday Edition. Guys, we are going to be cooking up this amazing beef tenderloin tonight on the green egg and cooking up a really killer cowboy butter to go right along with it. So who's coming down the chimney tonight? Well, it's funny you should ask. We have Ian Atkinson on keys. We have Steve Wheeler on guitar. We also have Ryan Cobb on bass, Matt Horhoda on saxophone, and Noah Hanna on trumpet, myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So without further ado, let's get involved, people. Ho, 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 bam! Okay, so we have this beef tenderloin. Let's go ahead and get it out of the packaging. We're gonna be using some W sauce tonight as a binder, and also using some of this hardcore carnivore as the rub, which is incredibly good. You guys gotta give that a shot. So here we go. Boom! That is 8 pounds of beautifulness right there. So let's give this a nice little trim, get rid of this silver skin, and then start getting this thing ready for the grill. Tonight, the cook on the green egg is gonna be at 275, and we are looking for an internal temperature of 120 when we pull it. By the way, if you guys are enjoying this channel, if you haven't, like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. BBQ Jams is growing. It's a lot of fun. We have new people that are reaching out to us, asking us to check out their products, and we're gonna be doing that here shortly. But this is a lot of fun, guys. So much fun. Meeting all these different musicians, cooking out for everybody, just having a ball. Speaking of having a ball, how about them Jaguars? Guys, Trevor Lawrence absolutely killed it with the Jets. They destroyed the Jets. It was incredible. He had one of the best games yet. And apparently, what did he do, like 300 yards? Through 300 yards, he had 5 touchdowns and 1 rushing touchdown. Incredible. Good on you, Trevor. We're digging you, buddy. Much love, much support. We're here in Jacksonville, Florida. That's what we do. Duval! You gotta do the Duval, people. Come on. Hey, by the way, Trevor, if you're watching this, you gotta come over and hang out sometime. I'll cook for you, man. It'll be a good time. Or any of your other Jag players. Come on, man. Let's get involved. So we have these grill companies reaching out to us for all this barbecue stuff, and this channel is about barbecue, but it's also about music. And if there's any companies out there that are interested in sending us some music gear, we'll review it, we'll check it out, we'll unbox it. We'll have some players come over and demo it, if that's guitars, if it's drums, if it's cymbals, if it's cables, if it's amplifiers, whatever you want. Foot pedals, you name it. So what I like to do is it's a butcher's knot. You do like a double tie and pull it down, and that holds it. Double knot. I'll put another one on top. If I can. There we go. Okay, now that we've got this all ready to go, she's looking gorgeous. Time to go in with the binder. And I'm gonna get that prepped as well. I'm gonna do some hardcore carnivore on this thing tonight. It's gonna be sweet. A little bit goes a long way. Beautiful. Ryan, you should be excited about this.
You don't need to tell me.
Oh yeah. Dude.
I just saw the word beef when you texted
Beef!
me.
We got the beef. Check that puppy out. Okay. Now we're gonna go in with some hardcore carnivore.
Shout out Jess Pryles.
Yeah, shout out Jess Pryles. Girl knows her rubs. We're gonna probe it with our handy dandy little meter plus that we're gonna be using. Go ahead and probe this sucker. I'm gonna probe it from this side. Again, we're looking for 120. And we're hitting it at 275, I believe, right now. 275 is the magic number, so getting ready to put it on here in just a minute. So you guys hold tight, like these jams, like and subscribe. Come on, ho, ho, ho. It's the season, people, come on. Tenderloin's ready to go on. Here we go. All right. Sweet. What a beaut. She's a beaut, Clark. She's a beaut. All right, guys, we are going to make a cowboy butter sauce. This is going to be incredible going on this beef tenderloin. So we're going to start off with a stick of butter. We're going to be melting this down on the green egg, by the way. Also, we're going to be doing some garlic cloves. We're going to minced. Chopped and minced. We have some lemon juice, lemon zest, Dijon mustard, cayenne pepper, paprika, chopped parsley, red chili flake, got some thyme, salt, pepper to taste. All right, I'm gonna stick this on the green egg, let this melt down, get all happy, and we're gonna be back here in just a second. You guys enjoy these jams. Peace. All right, we are ready to pull. Here we go. And she is a beaut. Look at that. Holy smokes. Oh my God. Guys, we're gonna let this rest for about 10 minutes. We're gonna be carving into her, so. Woo! Everybody's excited. Yeah. All right, let's see what the old meter says.
You don't put tinfoil over it while it rests, or do you?
We might on this one. Okay. We're gonna let this rest for about 10 minutes. We'll see you guys back here in a minute. You guys enjoy these jams. We'll be right back. Okay, it's the moment of truth. Here we go. I'm gonna pull the probe, cut off our lines, slice halfway into this, see how she looks. Merry Christmas, everyone. Oh my God, check that business out. Woo! Oh my God. And it's just this tender, I mean, look at the flop on that. It is just bloop, bloop, bloop. Oh yeah. That is all meat, baby. All right, I'm gonna start cutting into this thing. We're gonna be serving people up, so here we go. Hope you guys are having a good Christmas too. Oh my God. These guys are salivating and they can't wait to get hold of it. All right, let me get that butter. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Look.
Oh yeah.
All right, time to bring in the guys. Let's go ahead and check out this tenderloin and see how we did. So, who do we have over here? We've got Ian over here. Come on, Ian Atkinson. What's up, Bubba? How's it going, dude?
It's going great.
We also have Ryan Cobb over here. Come on down. What's up, Bubba?
Yeah, so you can
And Matt Horihota. Come on in, bro. Come on in. We also have Noah Hanna coming in the house. Am I saying that right, Hanna? Hannon. All right, guys, y'all ready to get involved with this? Ready to check it out? All right, cool.
Let's do it.
Okay, here, let me cut these into halves so you guys can eat it without having it all over the place. All right, cool.
Paper towels down there too.
Paper towels down below. You guys come in and grab a piece. All right. And we're just gonna chow down on this thing.
Gotta find the one with the most butter.
Do it. Do it.
Oh, yeah, I can already smell the butter.
That one's got my name on it.
Yeah. All right, guys. Cheers.
Give me a holiday cheers.
Merry
Here we go.
Christmas. Happy holidays. Guys, we're having a ball over here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God.
Wow. Caveman Christmas.
You know it's good when nobody's talking.
Yeah.
This is beautiful.
Just
And
keep
that,
eating, no talking.
that zest from the lemon's really cutting through too. Oh my God.
Yeah, I think you got something special going on over there.
Oh my God.
Oh,
God. Whoa.
Kudos,
Fantastic.
That is insane.
Jams canceled for eating.
Yeah. Hey, we also have Steve Wheeler over here too. You gonna come on in? Come on, man. You might cut. You
Meet
cut
the
your
beef.
Give me a hook you up.
Look at this. I tell you, I need a place to sleep tonight. So
Yeah.
if you could send one to the wife, it'd be great.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna hook
Thank
you
you.
up. Cool. Thank you. Thank you
look
guys.
at that. Though. Look at
I mean,
this.
it's out of control.
It's a masterwork.
This is out of control. And thank you guys so much for being here tonight and want to be a part of the show and the jams as always. I can't wait to hear these
Yeah, I
things.
can't wait to hear the Hornets, man. This will be fun.
It's going to be out of control. All right, guys, I'm going to bring a few more people over here.
All right, I'm backing
We're
out.
going to get involved with some more of these jams. So, all right, come on now. Who else do we have over here who wants to get involved? We have James Salzer. We have Cooper Dunn. Come on in, Bubba. Aren't you excited?
I mean, I don't know how you get
Dude.
more excited.
Come on, Salter.
All right.
Why'd you go the difficult one?
That's the drunk utility course. He passed.
And not just off the charts, dude.
That's insane.
I got a piece for you right there, dude.
All right. Thank you.
It's like butter, dude. It just melts. So fantastic.
Tastes sort of big, but
Why would you
you'll
ever
be
go
all
to
right.
a restaurant ever again?
Oh my God, go for it, dude. Dude. Drum roll.
God, it's so interesting. All these flavors.
Yeah.
And the star of our show.
God, it's wonderful.
Oh, it's wonderful. Hey, good job, buddy. I appreciate you. James, it's always a pleasure having you on, buddy.
Believe how tender it was.
I know, it's incredible. And we have Martine Question over here. What's up, bro? Better late than never. I'm glad you made it.
I just got here.
We gotta bring him in. Now we have a piece, dude. We've got a butter
Oh
on
my
this tenderloin.
God.
Just grab a piece or whatever you want and just go for it.
Can I cut this one
you
in
go
half?
whatever you want, dude.
Oh my God.
And that
Dude.
tender is like, I mean, it's falling apart. Out of control.
Oh,
Out of control, dude.
come on.
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
That's what we do over here at Barbecue Jams, everybody. That's what
Can't
we
believe
do.
you forgot
baby.
about me. I mean, I'm here.
Oh, Cooper, you haven't gotten in yet?
No,
Come on,
I'm-
man. We can't forget Cooper.
I'm
Oh
not
my
my
God.
brother for crying out loud.
This is incredible.
Thank you very much.
This
I know.
is
Guys, for
insane.
your holidays, get involved
Insane.
with this. I'm telling you. Everybody's going to be oohing and on and loving it and just praising you. You guys got to get involved. Hey, look, speaking of getting involved, I'm going to hook up the camera guys behind there because, you know, they never get any credit over here. There you go. Get in there, Johnny. And we also have Jeffrey over here. I'm gonna hook you up with some. Oh, dude, I'm just gonna dip you right in, bro. I'm going in for the big dunk. Look at that.
Wow.
Whoa. Do it. Oh, dude.
Wow.
Yes, so good. Oh, it's butterly delicious. I'm telling you.
That is insane.
Guys, we're gonna catch you back here in a little bit. Enjoy these jams, like and subscribe. Come on now, let's get involved. Woo! So good, yeah. Alright guys, we had an excellent show tonight. That beef tenderloin was incredible with the cowboy butter. What'd you guys think of that? Insane. You guys have got to do that for your holiday parties. Incredible. One thing real quick, we've got a newcomer over here. We've got Noah over here. What's up, dude? Welcome to the show. He's gonna be playing some trumpet for us tonight. And we got to hook him up from the merch company, by the way. Thank you so much, Derek Enner. We've got you a hat. And we've also got you a super sweet shirt. So, hey man, it's official. You've been BBQ Jams. Come on everybody, let's get involved. Hey guys, y'all enjoy. Y'all have a great holiday. Thank you so much for getting involved. And happy holidays to you guys. So until next time, we're gonna catch you next time.
Good.